my name's Kurtis, and today we are going to graph this inequality. The first thing we do when we're graphing is we make sure that our inequality is in slope y-intercept form, which looks like this. Y is equal to mx plus b, which it is, so we're good to go. Now, our slope is equal to 2/3. Remember that slope is actually rise over run. And our y-intercept is -4, which on our graph, that's actually going to be the point 0, -4. So now that we have a point that we can start this graph on, we'll find it on our graph. Remember that the first number in our point is our x values, and this one is y value. So we start here at 0 on our x axis and go down 4. That's our first point. So to get the rest of the points, we're going to have to use our slope, which is 2/3. So remember that it's rise over run, so we go up 2, and in the positive direction 3. So our next point will be about there. Up 2 more, and over 3. Now to go in the opposite direction, it's going to look like this. -2 over -3. So I'll actually go down 2 and in the negative direction 3. Out here. So this will be our next 2 points. When we're graphing inequality, there's 2 different kinds of lines that we can use. One is a dashed line, or the other is a solid. In this case, because it's a less than symbol, we're going to use a dashed line. If this was a less than or equals to, we would use a solid line. I'm going to go ahead and draw this line. And obviously I didn't really plot this point right. Let's see. Over here. So the other thing we have to do when we're graphing an inequality is to shade either above or below the line. Because this is a less than sign, and because we have it in slope y-intercept form and we've solved for y, then we know that we're going to shade below the line. If it was a greater than sign, we would shade above the line. So I'll just shade this. Now, to check to see if we've shaded the right region, all we have to do is plug a point into our inequality and see if it works. We're going to try the point 0, 0. So we plug that into our inequality. 0 is less than 2/3 times 0 minus 4. 2/3 times 0 is 0, so we're going to be left with 0 is less than -4, which is a false statement. So we know that we've shaded the right region. And it's just that simple.